Hi, Sean O'Haron here with MarineMax Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler superstore. Today, I'm going to walk you through this beautiful 2020 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. Starting out, you can see the beautiful steel blue hull, beautiful color on or off the water. Let me walk you inside and show you some of the features and benefits that your family's really going to love. Starting out in the transom of this Boston Whaler 28 Outrage, you got 3 underwater lights. Looks great at night. Little bait fish swimming around. Up here, you got a pair of the new Mercury Verado 300 horsepower engines, and they're sporting the nice white motor cowlings. Great for South Florida. Looks clean, resists the heat. Let's go inside and I'll show you the rest of the features. One of the nice features about those Mercury Verado 300s, easy to check the oil, easy to add the oil. Great new feature. Coming aboard, battery tender, plug your boat in so you never come to a dead battery. Freshwater shower, getting out of the salt water, nice way to rinse off. And stepping over here, easy bench seat for cruising along. And when you're not using it, back to fishing, back to just a combing pad. On both port and starboard, you have these beautiful big fish boxes. They're insulated. Since this is the unsinkable Legend with a foam-filled hull, you can put provisions in there if you're not fishing, or put all the catch of the day in both sides. Easy to use, nicely finished and insulated. Stepping up to the wet bar here, you got your bait well right here. If you're not using it for bait, it can also be a cooler. Nice freshwater sink. Handrails while underway, cup holders on both sides, and rod holders on both sides. Everything all in one unit. At the helm, it's fully equipped with everything you need to use the boat. You got a nice tilt steering wheel, easy push button start, Ray Marine electronics on this boat, Fusion stereo, combined with a nice JL audio speaker system. We got the Lenco trim tabs with indicators. It's nice so you know where your trim tabs are. You don't have to guess. You got your full mercury gauges here, which goes through everything you need to know about the engine with a push of a button. Digital throttle shift. For anybody who hasn't experienced this, it's always going to feel the same all the time, not like the old cables. All your rocker switches right here, easy to read, easy to use, and plenty of visibility with a nice little vent. Push of a button, that vent scoops the air right in, starts to rain, close it off, and you're nice and protected. In the bow of the boat, you'll notice how big the hardtop is. Not only shades the captain and mate, but also provides a little bit of shade for the forward-facing lounge. Got a nice LED light, armrests, plenty of legroom with a high backrest, and one of the fun things, all the storage that you have under there. You got dive tank holders already, 2 buckets, nice stairs to get down there, and also your rods can sit here and go all the way to the head so you can keep and lock your rods safe and secure. Just ahead of that nice lounge is more seating. A couple JL audio speakers, cup holders, Fusion stereo remote for the people in the bow. Another beautifully insulated storage compartment right here. Under here is your windlass. Out of the way, out of the weather. Remote control makes it easy for the mate to help out. And the 2 rod holders up here are for the sunshade that extends from the hardtop and makes this whole area nice and shaded when you're at anchor or at cruise speed. Thank you for taking the time to join me in walking through this beautiful Boston Whaler 2020 280 Outrage. If you have any additional questions or would like to see this boat in person, give me a call. Sean O'Haron, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, your Boston Whaler Superstore.